On 11th of December, huge quantity of illegal Burmese Supari comprising of 30 fully loaded bags were recovered from a truck at Lahorijan police patrol post during a routine checking under Burmese subdivision. According to sources, on 11th of December at around 6 p.m. late evening, police intercepted a truck bearing registration number AS01PC 3178 coming from Nagaland at Lahorijan police patrol post with suspicion of carrying illicit goods with them. The truck was rigorously searched and recovered huge quantity of dried Burmese Supari comprising of 30 fully loaded bags. Police arrested the driver of the truck, identified as Iqbal Ali, in connection to this case. It was informed that the contraband seized could be worth Rs 10 lakhs if sold to an open market. The price of the dried betel nut had inflated due to shortage of supply and excessive increment in demand. Taking advantage of the scenario, traders eye on exporting the products illegally for the best deal. But due to the excellent policing and vigilantism by the police department, illegal smugglers fall under their radar. Anantarang's report from Burmese for Karbianglong Live.